Dapat alam mo. Bakit nga ba dapat alam mo ang isang bagay kahit hindi naman ikaw ang gagawa nito? Alam mo anak, I have a young friend who shared this story. She hired an email marketing expert daw para tulungan siyang i-promote ang negosyo niya. Ang promise, big results, more sales, effortless marketing. Kaya syempre, bayad agad because she trusted the person. Pero after 3 months, ang napansin niya, bakit walang engagement? Bakit walang sales? Worst of all, yung emails did not sound like her at all. Hindi raw siya makarelate sa tono. Even her customers got confused. Para bang ibang tao ang nagsusulat. Sabi niya sa akin, Mommy N, I wish I understood email marketing kahit konti lang. Para sana alam ko kung ano yung dapat hanapin o kung tama ba yung ginagawa niya. And that stuck with me. Alam mo anak, you don't need to do everything yourself in your business. Pero dapat alam mo ang basics. Parang accounting, hindi mo kailangan maging accountant. Pero dapat marunong kang magbasa ng mga financial reports para hindi ka maloko. Same with email marketing. You should know what a good email looks like. Paano dapat ang tunog ng brand mo at kung ano ang metrics na dapat binabantayan. Marami na akong narinig na kwento na niloko, na disappoint, na ubusan ng budget because they gave their trust to the wrong person. But if you know the basics, kahit mag-hire ka pa para may gagawa sa'yo, you will know how to guide them. You will know if the work actually reflects your brand. Kaya anak, protect your business. Learn the basics. Want to learn how email can help grow your business? Type in the comment email for biz and stay tuned, okay? Let's be business-minded, Pinoy.